has to continue to perform throughout the process, because from the time you meet the buyer till the time you get the offer, it could be a month, and then by the time you close, it could be 2 or 3 months. So there's like a 4 or 5 month, maybe 6 month process there. And the business, if the business goes down, if they lose a major customer, sales start to tank, then the buyers will often try to renegotiate. Say, you know what, the business isn't worth what it was when I made my offer. I'm changing my offer. So that's a really, really hard thing, and it happens a lot, because a lot of times the sellers, they feel like the deal's done when the offer comes in. The deal's not done. That's a preliminary offer, subject to due diligence. There needs to be a 40 to 50 page agreements typically that are written up. So it takes a while, and the business needs to perform, or else the deal can fall apart. And I have seen that happen too.